If you've ever wanted more control over how OBS Studio appears in your Windows 11 system tray, this tutorial is for you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn the OBS system tray icon on or off, adjust how OBS minimizes, and streamline your workflow, whether you're live streaming, recording, or just keeping things tidy on your desktop. Let's jump right in. First things first, open up OBS Studio on your computer. If you're not sure where the shortcut is, just hit the Windows key and search for OBS Studio. It should pop right up. Give it a click and let the program load. OBS tends to open pretty quickly, but if your computer's a bit busy, this might take a couple of seconds. No stress. Once OBS is open, take a look at the bottom right corner of the window. You'll see several buttons under a section labeled Controls. Find the one that says Settings. Go ahead and click that. It's your gateway to tweak how OBS behaves and looks. A new window will pop up, featuring a menu of different settings categories along the left side. Now, we're looking for the System Tray tab within these options. As you browse down the left side, click System Tray. This section is all about how OBS interacts with the system tray, the small area near your clock in the bottom right of Windows. The system tray is where Windows keeps tucked away program icons, which is handy for keeping your desktop uncluttered. Here's the important part. You'll see a checkbox labeled Enable. If you want OBS to show up as an icon in the system tray, maybe you like having quick access to it there, just check the box. If you'd rather not have OBS sitting in the tray and prefer it only in your taskbar, uncheck the box. It's a simple toggle, but it makes a big difference in how visible OBS is while you're multitasking. Something to keep in mind, depending on what you're doing in OBS, choosing whether the icon appears in the system tray can help reduce distractions or make the program easier to find. For example, if you're streaming and don't want OBS cluttering up your taskbar, or worry about accidentally making it show in your screen capture, the system tray setting is invaluable. Once you've made your choice, look down at the bottom of the settings window and click Apply. This locks in your changes, but you'll want to hit OK afterward to close the settings window and return to the main OBS screen. Don't worry if you forget to click Apply. OBS will usually remind you, but it's a good habit to get into. There are also a couple of extra options here that can really streamline your OBS experience. You'll see a box for Minimize to System Tray when started. If you check this, OBS will automatically jump out of the way and settle into the system tray whenever you open it, keeping your desktop clear for other tasks. This is perfect if you like to set things up early, then let OBS run quietly in the background. And finally, there's Always Minimize to System Tray instead of Taskbar. If you enable this, OBS won't show up on your taskbar at all. It'll stay tucked away in the system tray, making it discreet and less likely to get in the way, especially during screen recordings or live streams. This is a little trick a lot of streamers use to avoid accidentally capturing the OBS window in their broadcasts. And that's all there is to it. These small system tray settings can make a world of difference in how smooth and convenient your workflow is with OBS Studio. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and drop any questions you have in the comments. I'm always happy to help. And if you want more straightforward tutorials just like this, hit subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching.